right, friends, it is that time, and that time means we are going to be hammering out another print review. This is going to be a blast. It's always a blast doing these. Now, if you are a regular here and you've seen me do these reviews over and over again, you may want to scrub forward to the part where I actually crack this thing open and dig in, because you've heard this. What I'm going to say here is not for you. It is for the newcomer who's coming to the site and scratching their head because they might have gotten a shiesty print, that they were expecting something a little different, or they're not quite sure where to start on a print that they want to order. So we've been doing these print reviews for the last 6 years. We do this a little different than any other print review that you're going to find online. We've reviewed hundreds of prints over the years, and the format is all the same. I'm going to crack this open. Matter of fact, I'm going to start on that while we are talking here. I'm going to crack this print open. I'm going to share with you literally A to Z as far as about this print, how it's packaged, how it is, the frame, the colors, the sharpness, literally A to Z. As soon as I figure out how to crack this thing open here. So therefore, if you go out there and buy a print from Vivid Metal Prints, you have a good idea as far as what your dollar is going to get you. Now, I will say this at the end, and I will also repeat it at the end as well. I'm going to say it right now, I'm going to repeat it at the end. If there is any questions that you have regarding prints in general, whether it be canvas, metal, acrylic, whatever it may be, leave them down in the questions. We read them and respond to each and every one. Okay. This is, all right, I'm going to put this right here. Okay, starting off with, we have, this is a pretty medium duty box here. I mean, it's pretty reinforced here. The edges of this, you have a flap that is going around. And the reason why I'm focusing on the box here is this becomes, well, obviously your print getting from where it's printed to where you live, or if you're drop shipping it to a client, is really important, especially around the holidays when UPS, FedEx, DHL has their seasonal employees, and well, they are a little bit less careful with your prints. So this is a pretty decent box, and they have some bubble pops down on the bottom there, pretty straightforward. But this is why this print is actually in pretty good shape. You have these large foam inserts on the corners here that are a kind of harnesses or holds the print right in the center of that box. So therefore, if it takes a side impact, well, you have a little bit of a buffer there, and also on each side and also on the ends. The one thing I wouldn't mind seeing, which technically you don't need because you have about an inch gap right here, but still, if somebody were to step on that box there, it could potentially reach this right here. But this is what you're getting right there, which is really well protected to begin with. But I'm going to nitpick, and that's just simply what I do. All right, so you have these cool foam corners that are going around the outer side of the print here. Then you have a added foam going around for added protection. Oh, I remember this. Okay. This. Oh, yep. That looks actually really. Okay, let's see if we can get this. So this is actually the third print that we have reviewed on this company right here. So last print that we did, which they scored nearly a perfect, was a white satin finish, which meant that the metal was painted white, that this was on right here, which makes things pop a little. This is clear, so you can actually see almost the grains of the metal here that they use, particularly, which I'll put it on the screen here. This area of the tent right here, which is the lighter color of this, you can actually really see that looks really good. I bet you this would look amazing under lights, proper lights, and hung on a wall. This is a particular shot for one of my other companies. I was out there doing a review on this particular tent right here, and it was just the perfect sunset that was taking place there. These clouds turned pink, and made it into an absolutely stunning shot there. Now what I'm doing right here is I'm scanning through a lot of the areas of these photos right here, looking for any sort of either dust marks, anomalies with the print. And if a print head is, one thing, there's a little sticky things, which I think is from like the packaging, the packaging there made it on my fingers, or it was on the print there. And I see absolutely nothing wrong with this here. Now what I'm looking for here is looking at some of the areas down near the tent where we have all these guidelines coming down, and looking at how, whether it's sharp, if I see any noise, any sort of anomalies whatsoever. What I will say is the colors really pop really nice. Again, this clear satin, you're getting a kind of a soft, flat look to it to begin with, like a matte finish. It looks really, really fantastic. And with that metal, look coming through, it actually looks really, really fantastic. I'm going to stick with what I said a moment ago. It would look amazing up on a wall with proper light going down on it. Okay, now I'm running my hands around the edge of the print here. So we have tested prints where you'll see it's almost like a sawtooth edge. And so you got to be careful if you're doing this. I really don't advise doing this, because I have seen prints, metal prints, where it's actually sharp. And there's this beautiful frame going around it, which looks absolutely remarkable. And actually, it fits really well, because you have that brushed metal just as you see on the tent itself. Okay, let's take a look at, we'll flip this over so you can see this is a very heavy duty frame on the back of this here. And the one thing that I see right off the get-go, you have these little rubber nubbies here on all corners, which I like it, because especially when you have a print like this, it keeps the print off the wall a little bit. A care package right here, and let's see, what did they... Oh, that's right. These guys put the actual full-on microfiber cloth inside, which is a... Okay, now that I'm back from that falling forward. Okay, so you have a little level. You have a little bit that holds that in there, so you can make sure that you get that on straight. And then you have some additional mounting hardware. And then, of course, these folks provide a microfiber cloth and instructions on how to mount this. Nice little touch. I've said this many times. This is like the chocolate on a nice turn-down service in a hotel. You have heavy-duty hardware that's holding the print on. And these guys, oh, here we go. Now, if you're ever curious on... There are multiple types of metal that you can print on. The top of the shelf is ChromeLuxe, that's industry standard and so forth. And you can see, you have to kind of twist the print around it, and you'll usually see, where did I see it here? I just saw it here a moment ago. Here we go, right here. ChromeLuxe, it says right there. Now, one thing I am going to... It's not a big deal, but my job here is to share everything with you. On the back of this here, the metal does have some scrapes on it, very minor, because once this is up against the wall, what counts is right here, and this is absolutely stunning. Okay, let's take a look at the scorecard for Vivid metal prints. All right, friends, and there you go. Another review of a metal print from Vivid Metal Prints. What do you think? I like the colors. I think they did a very, very good job, as you can see with the scorecard there. And this is the reason why we do these here. We've said this, echoed this many times over the past. Printing your work, there is a transformational, it basically takes a print that is buried in your hard drive of your computer or your phone, and takes it out where you can actually see it, because when it's on your computer, when it's buried in a hard drive, what good is it? This is what, if you've not gotten into printing any of your photos, what I would recommend is take a photo, something that is meaningful, something that you're rather proud of, and get out there and try a company like Vivid Metal Prints out. You don't need to go with a big print. Start with a small print. Just the whole idea is just get into the habit, the cadence of printing some of your work out, some of your favorites out, and it becomes a learning tool, it becomes a pride tool. It is so transformational for photographers, especially getting started and so forth, in carrying you through your career as a photographer. But anyways, these guys did a great job, and I'm going to put a link down below to Vivid Metal Prints, and I would definitely encourage you to try them out. They have a number of different finishes and obviously different ways that you can hang these prints up onto the wall. Now, if you have any questions specifically on this print, or if there is a print company that you would like to review in the future, let me know in the comments down below as well. All right, friends, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I will see you in the next video.